Pros achieve smoother, longer-lasting asphalt repairs by combining proper sub-base preparation with heat, compaction, and precise edge work. Start by assessing and removing all failed material down to firm subgrade. Then clean the area so new material bonds directly to solid base. Compact the sub-base with a vibrating plate or hand tamper until deflection stops and moisture is controlled. Use hot mix asphalt when possible because it flows and interlocks better than cold patch, and keep that mix at temperature during transport and placement to preserve workability. Cut vertical, clean edges with a saw or sharp cutter to create a uniform joint that new material can butt against rather than feathering, which invites early failure. When placing the material, add slightly more than needed and compact from the center out toward the edges, using a vibrating compactor and then a steel drum or double drum roller when the patch is large, ensuring each pass overlaps the previous by 1/3. Finish with a proprietary asphalt emulsion or polymeric sealant applied thinly to the joint to reduce water infiltration and to help the patch lock into surrounding pavement. Allow appropriate cure time based on product instructions and ambient temperature. For smaller repairs, heat the existing pavement with a propane heater for 50 to 100 seconds per square foot before tacking and adding hot mix, which helps molecular bonding and reduces visible seams. 3 common mistakes are using cold patch as a long-term answer, neglecting edge preparation, and undercompacting the repair, and each has a simple fix. Relying on cold patch alone leads to quick deterioration, so use hot mix where longevity is needed, or at least recompact cold patch fully and plan to overlay with hot mix as soon as feasible. Feathering or leaving ragged edges prevents a strong joint, so always saw, cut, or mechanically trim edges to full depth to create a flat vertical face for the new material to contact. Skipping proper compaction leaves voids that trap water, so always compact in overlapping passes with the correct equipment and verify firmness by probing or measuring deflection. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and give both parties a place to compare methods like hot mix and compaction techniques. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn what works on real projects, so we can help homeowners decide between professional quality and do-it-yourself approaches while helping contractors find work.